time I saw you guys, I just finished with semester 2. And now that you're seeing me again, I've just started semester 3. So keep me in your prayers, guys. Please, I beg of you. But that's not the focus of the video today. Today, I'm here to slay another headband wig from Arabella. If you've been following up with me, you would have seen that I have collabed with Arabella quite a couple times. I think this is my 3rd collaboration with them. They have some nice hair, what can I say? So today they sent me over a headband wig, 14-inch curly headband wig, and as usual, all the information will be down in the description box below if you are interested in this hair when I am finished with it, before I even touch it. All the information will be down in the description box below. So I will show you guys what comes in the box, and as usual, the hair comes in there, and I also got one of these little pouch thingies and a lash. So let me just show you guys what is in the pouch. Oh, I have another lash in the pouch. I have this little clip thingy. I have like a, I think it's, I don't know, it's supposed to tie around your head. I don't know what's the proper name for it. I got an edges brush and a wig cap and this little clip here. So let's go ahead and put on this headband wig. Today I'm going to be trying to do a little something a little different. I want bangs. I've never had bangs before. Fun fact, I've never had bangs before. So today I'm going to try and create bangs on this headband wig. Hopefully it comes out how I imagine it. Because last time, I'm not gonna lie, when I tried that style on a headband wig, it never really come out exactly how I envisioned it, but we ride. So before I even put this on, even though my edges probably won't show, I'm still going to go ahead and do my edges before I put on the wig. So you guys know the drill. Let's go.
Yo, Dre.
So I did my edges very minimal in my opinion. Try these other 2 side things. But I don't know if it's gonna work out, but I did it minimal because I intend to cut the bangs. So let's just get right into that. You guys know the drill, how easy it is to put on the headband wig. A lot of people are getting it confused that this type of wig is not secure at all. I just like to show you guys the inside. We have four combs inside that we stick down in our hair, and we also have a velcro that keeps it tight at the back. So I don't know, somebody must have it out for you wicked for drag off this off your head. Honestly, it's not that easy to come off, so just thought I'd clear that up. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this over my hair. Okay. And find the combs and stick them in. I wonder why my ear abuse like say it now go under. Please to disappear, ma'am. Alright. Okay. So I'm just going to close this at the back. And pull this down. Push that comb under. And there we go. If I wanted to, I could just leave it like this and put on a headband. And also, guys, I feel like wearing it like this looks a little unfinished. I always say, like, just please put on the headband that you get with the wig. Me a beg on too. But in this case today, Arabella didn't send me any headbands, but that's fine. I didn't get any headbands in this package, but I have a lot, so that doesn't really matter to me. The plan is to make bangs. I've never done this before, so hopefully it comes out how I expect it to come out. So let's try and do this. Right here, I'm going to cut it longer, so if anything, it's not too short. Did I do it? Did I do it? A good thing I do it, which part I do it, cause see, I know I look a little crazy, but I'm going to go ahead and put the headband here. Bring down a couple pieces to frame my face. And then I'm going to put the headband right there. So let me just section this off real quick. Alright guys, so I found a headband that I want to use, and now I won't be wetting this hair up. I want that look, you know. I don't know if you guys know what look I'm talking about, but I want that poofy afro look. Let me comb this out a little. Yes, I just chose this plain headband just to keep it a little simple, you know. Alright, so this is how it's looking. I like it. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I don't know, you guys rate it down in the comment section down below. Let me know how much you give this style on me. I don't know, maybe this is the reason why I never had bangs. I don't know if I love the bangs on me, but you guys see that the headband wig is versatile. You can do it in any style that you want to. So again guys, if you guys are interested in getting this wig, all the information will be down below in the description box. Just go down there and go and check it out. As you can see, it is a very versatile wig. So yeah, go ahead and check them out. And that's all for this week's video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and comment how much you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. Let me know your thoughts. And that's it for this week's video guys. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.